a tour of my tiny deck garden. We wanted to test out growing on the deck this year. And so these are our test plants. The first one, we actually ordered this as a seedling, and it came very, very late because of everything going on. But it already has some tomatoes coming on. You can see, hopefully that won't be too much longer, but it's a determinate. It's called Defiant, and I think it's about done setting its buds. We have used the method of an electric toothbrush on it, and it really seemed to help more blossoms pollinate than fall off. I also crocheted some ties, so that I just made chains so that it's soft against the plant itself, and then tie it onto the posts, you can see. So, and it also gives so that it can blow in the wind or whatever. So we have these buckets. I love the square buckets that we put them in, and we used compost that we made, leaf mold from the woods. That's right there. We have lots of woods for you to get leaf mold in, and a little bit of vermiculite that we had on hand. So, and they seem to be doing well. This is an old part of our front porch railing that we no longer need, if I can find it. And we have it going all the way down, and so we pour the water in that, and we have it such so that the water will absorb into the soil. We have rocks and stuff at the bottom. It'll absorb into the soil, and there's a hole on the other side where it drips out through the planks of the deck. Second thing is a Cubanelle pepper that we started from seed. I believe we got it from M.I. Gardner. And we've already gotten 5 peppers off of it already, and he really has grown tall. This is the first year we've ever tried Cubanelle. We actually haven't gardened in about 7 years since we moved here. But you can see there's several on here, and we've already gotten about 5, and there's still blossoms coming. And so hopefully it keeps producing. Next is beans that were supposed to be the kind that climb, but they didn't. So, but they're green beans, and we've been picking off of it for quite a while. We haven't gotten a whole lot off of it. It's just 5 plants, but they're still giving blossoms, and she just harvested it late yesterday. So there's a tiny little bean, but there aren't big beans right now on it. But so it's just in a pot. They all have the same soil, just a pot we had. So, and the next thing, this is first year, we accidentally got these seeds from M.I. Gardner last year. They had half price seeds, buy one get one free. So we ordered a bunch of different seeds that we thought we'd want, and Elizabeth loves spinach, so I saw this spinach that liked growing in the heat. So, oh, look at this. So I ordered it. Then when I read about it, I'm like, oh my goodness, it's a huge vine. It grows like crazy. The large leaves you're supposed to cook. They get kind of slimy, some people say. We haven't really cooked any. But the smaller ones we pick off and put in salads, and nobody seems to be liking them. But it's growing a little bit crazy. You can tell our deck is getting a little weathered. We were supposed to paint it this year, but with everything going on with the pandemic and everything, we skipped that. But it's starting to bloom already. But it likes heat. It's kind of hard to see this in this light. But it's starting to bloom, and I guess you can eat the blossoms, you can eat the stems, and everything. So if you want it to branch out, you pinch it back, but I haven't done that yet. But so I think our experiment here, and this is just in a tiny little pot, and the one thing we did is we put these rocks on top of the soil to keep squirrels from digging in it. At first it helped warm the soil, and now I think it's helping to cool the soil. And it keeps any weed seeds that fall into it or whatever. So, so that's our experiment. And the one thing I had thought about doing then is that I want to grow several kinds of tomatoes and peppers and stuff, and I want to keep seeds to make sure they don't cross-pollinate. Just put 1 pepper up here, 1 tomato, 1 cucumber, whatever. So I think we'll branch out next year, and I think I'm going to try and do some this winter with lettuce and stuff. So we'll let you see that later. So thanks for stopping by, and I hope your garden grows well too.